इसलिए आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप इस विचार को सुनिए, और वो ये है, अंग्रेजी में है, डोंट टेक योर ऑर्गन्स टू हेवन, हेवन नोज वी नीड देम हियर। यानी अपने शरीर के अंगों को अपने साथ स्वर्ग लेकर मत जाइए, स्वर्ग से ज्यादा उनकी यहां पर जरूरत है। ऑर्गन्स को डोनेट करने के लिए उम्र की कोई सीमा नहीं। एक दिन के बच्चे से लेकर 100 वर्ष के बुजुर्ग भी अपना अंगदान कर सकते हैं। अंगदान करने के लिए आप भारत सरकार के नेशनल ऑर्गन एंड टिश्यू ट्रांसप्लांट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की वेबसाइट पर जाकर खुद को रजिस्टर करवा सकते हैं।
And this pushed me to convert my belief into action. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unlock the Locked by Asher. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to the max you can. A little consideration, a little thought about others makes all the difference. 2020, a year of pandemic, gave everyone an opportunity to pause and think about themselves and the society. This made my belief of giving back stronger. And then comes 2021, wherein I take a proudful pledge of donating my organs after my death. But is organ donation required? Let's look at some of the recent facts which are really alarming. 5 lakh people are waiting for organ donation, with another person added to the list every 10 minutes. And by the end, 4 lakh people die every year waiting for a transplant. 50,000 hearts are needed, as against which only 339 are available. 2 lakh kidneys are needed, as against which only 1,684 are available. 50,000 livers are needed, as against which only 708 are available. These numbers can make anyone's heart cry. India's organ donation rate is lowest in the world, with 0.86 donor per million, as against US of 31.96 and Spain of 46.9. And just you and only you, even as an individual, can save up to 8 lives and heal up to 75 through organ donation. It's just a matter of creating awareness and giving life to several families. But we do find series of myths stopping people to get to this cause. People believe if they donate organs, they will be born without them in next birth. But let's not forget that organs are anyways cremated. The physical body will not survive death and hence holds no relevance with rebirth. And if that's the case, does donating money in charity during lifetime make you poor in next life? Most of the people believe that religion does not allow organ donation. But let me tell you that various Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and other leaders have been endorsing organ donation. People also fear that organ donation disfigures the body. But over here, let me tell you that organs are removed surgically with one single cut from chest to navel, which does not disfigure the body. And let's not forget that during cremation, the body will be covered with clothes and hence no sign of donation will be visible. Also, there are misconceptions about age and illness. A person of any age can become a donor. Also, each person's medical condition is evaluated at the time of death to determine what organs and tissues are viable for donation. Lastly, people also fear that once they chose to become an organ donor, they cannot change their mind. But why to change your mind after all? And even if you happen to do that, you can withdraw it at any time. So what needs to be done for getting yourself registered? 5 minutes. Check out the Noto website, NOTTO. Log in and get yourself registered. All this in just 5 minutes. Link and other details are there in the description box below. You can comment and directly reach out to me for any sort of assistance. Towards the end, I would just like to leave you with a very simple message. Keeping everything aside for a moment, if this happens to somebody who is very close to you or to any of your family member, will you ever be thinking about anything before getting this done? Take a pause, think about it, and I'm sure you can create smiles even after walking your miles.